ये थॉट मतलब स्टोरी जब पढ़े तो आई थिंक पहला थॉट तो डर ही था.
I cannot even imagine the pain she went through.
I was very scared.
I was just blank.
I was very aggressive. Like more than sad, I was aggressive.
First thought was not a thought, it was a question कि why.
Brutal. Life is not good.
Who is this evil? Who has done this?
As a child, maybe we are not exposed to such knowledgeable, family settings. It's a very hush-hush topic. Even if your strap is showing, there will be इशारेबाजी की, ठीक करो.
किसी के लिए कोई लड़की इतनी easy कैसे उसको कैसे इतनी easy लग गई कि हाँ मैं ये कर सकता हूँ उसके साथ.
I was in class 9th. I was traveling in a train with my family, and it has happened. And when it did, I just froze at the moment.
मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ बाहर मार्केट प्लेस में थी. वी वेंट फॉर शॉपिंग एंड आई वॉज ग्रोप्ड एंड आई डिड नॉट नो कि मैं तब क्या बोलूँ क्या करूँ.
Yes, I have been touched badly by a very close member of my family.
I was around like 7-8 years old. I did not know what was happening, but he just did something very awkward, something that I don't want to remember. It really, again, triggers me very badly. It's very, very bad.
In the worst case scenarios, as a woman, you are yourself questioned that how could someone come close to you? You could not maintain boundaries.
ई-रिक्शा लेने से पहले भी 2 बार सोचना पड़ता है और सोचते कि अच्छा तो चलो घर वालों को ही बुला लेने के लिए मेट्रो स्टेशन.
आप एक तरीके के कपड़े पहनो, इतने शॉर्ट्स मत पहनो, इतने कट स्लीव्स मत पहनो.
There have been so many incidents like these, and they happen. People raise their voices, and then again, everyone goes back to their work.
If a person is not safe at their workspace, I don't know where else they would be.
Viral video that went out, they were also scared कि मेरी बेटी अकेले जा रही है, and they asked me not to come to work because it happened in the workplace. And if you're not safe at your workplace with people that you will be around for 45 hours a week, then I don't know where you can be safe.
It is some psyche that these guys have. We can objectify her no matter what she is wearing, no matter what her religion is, no matter how she looks. That is not a question in their mind.
अब अगर मुझे चांस मिलेगा तो अब ना तो सोसाइटी ऐसी रह गई है, ना लोग ऐसे रह गए हैं. औरतें कमोडिटी बन चुकी हैं लोगों के लिए. तो यार अगर कभी हो रहा है ना तो चीखो चिल्लाओ, जो मर्जी आए करो, लेकिन चुप मत बैठो.
मेरे आसपास जो कुछ भी होगा मैं उठा के पहले उसी से मार दूंगी. आई विल सी लेटर क्या होगा मेरे साथ, क्या नहीं होगा.
Every boy that you know, if you can talk to them and they take you seriously, I think that is also a step. We've started taking care about that we do have something sharp in our bags, we do have a pepper spray in the car.
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि विद माई करियर ग्रोथ एंड माई पर्सनैलिटी ग्रोथ मेरे पास इतनी अब स्ट्रेंथ आ गई है टू कीप माई पॉइंट वेरी क्लियरली एंड सामने वाले को बताने का कि भाई अब हो गया है. अगर अब किसी लड़के ने मेरी तरफ गंदी नज़रों से देखा या फिर मेरे साथ बदतमीज़ी की, मैं चुप नहीं रहूँगी और मैं आवाज़ उठाऊँगी.
अब हमें ये चीज़ और नहीं सहनी है.
वी शुड नॉट स्टे क्वाइट.
I will raise my voice and I'll make sure that I will get heard.
And yes, please, please, please fight back.
We will fight back.
We should fight back.
I will fight back.
I will fight back.
I will fight back.